If you check in the binoculars, you can see their position. Their position is at the brigade.
Do you think you're shortly going to take that position?
Yeah, we will. We will.
You will overrun them?
Yeah, we will overrun them. Even tonight we might overrun them.
But they are heavily armed?
Not more than us.
Have you had many losses of your own men here?
Here in this position?
Yeah.
No, not many.
And what about the government forces?
Government, they've had a big loss because we overrun.
I've just seen you. Moments later, heavy fighting broke out. Machine gun and mortar fire were exchanged between the warring parties. The government forces were dug in a small stadium a few hundred meters away. The rebels pounded them with everything they had. Okay. This mortar exploded not far from us, and we had to immediately evacuate the area. How strong do you think the government is dug in the capital?
In the capital?
Yeah.
It's very strong. It's very strong because it seems they have pulled all the forces that came from the lines where we have captured. All of them have come to the capital.
So it won't be easy to take Kigali.
It won't be easy, but we will take it.